Hello YouTube. I thought I would record a review of the subscription box I have from Zenpop. Now this is absolutely not a sponsored video. My daughter is teaching school in South Korea and she thought this was a good present, and it is. I love these kind of snacks. Now let me put some details here from the website about how much this runs. I think list price is about $37, but I think they'll immediately send you some coupons if you sign up with your email address. And I think you can get this for just over or just under $20, and you can start the subscription. It's a 3-month subscription for around that much each month. But you can start it and then cancel it and see if you like the box and then start it up again if you like. Let's see what we got in here. This in particular was the Studio Ghibli Nostalgia Box. Oh, you see coupon right off the bat right here for your next order if you decide to order again. I think it says, how much is that off? Oh, a little note about what it's like in Osaka right now. We start off with the green Kit Kats. Matcha latte. What is that?
Matcha is green tea.
Nice. Let's give it a try. So here we go. Little individual packages. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, look at that. Kind of looks like Play-Doh right there.
Slightly melted.
It's been a long way.
Open it.
Mmm. Just tastes like Kit Kat to me. What's this like to you guys? No.
Just like quiet chocolate.
Yeah. Now this looks like a bugle. Will it taste like a bugle? And this looks like bugles that have been through a grinder. Can you see in there? It's too dark in there. Yep, that's a bugle. Now what is that? No clue. There is no English writing on this. Oh, drink. Oh, that's really cool. It's a lemon drink, clearly. Let's give it a shot. Ooh.
Carbonated lemon drink.
It sure is.
It's very lemony.
Ooh. So it's a carbonated lemon drink. Oh, it's not terrible, but it's somewhere between like a soft drink and seltzer water.
It's a LaCroix.
No, it has more flavor.
It has more flavor. It has more flavor than a LaCroix, but if you like LaCroix, you like this.
That's true. If you like LaCroix, you probably like this. What is that cookie thing? Pop that thing open. Oh, this bag is big. I don't know what they are, but they've been since 2012. Oh, it says onion rings. No, it says onigiri. What's onigiri mean?
Yeah.
And it's definitely not seaweed. Look, can you see that? I don't want it to be.
That's meaty.
That cookie I handed you?
Yep.
Ooh, good.
Oh no, onigiri is, I just remembered, onigiri is the rice ball. Yes.
That's very tasty.
So this is supposed to be like, do you remember those rice balls?
This one.
Yeah. The little triangles of rice that you can get, and it'll sometimes have tuna or fish or plum in it.
This is delicious. I'm not really sure what it's made out of, but it's very delicious.
Probably rice.
Here, we've opened the cookie. You said it was meaty?
It tasted meaty. It's flavorful.
It sure is. I have no clue what that is.
Maybe it's like shrimp or something.
Little soft candies. What is that? I don't know. Who's brave? What do you? Don't run. Who's brave?
I'll take them. I already ate the meat cookie.
That's an M&M. Those are little M&Ms. Fat man knows an M&M when he smells one.
It's a good M&M.
Ooh, maybe gum?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's gum.
Okay, let's save the gum for later. You want to try gummies?
Yeah. That looks like a ginger gummy.
Oh, look at this. A bourbon bomb roll. Looks like a little cookie.
Ooh. This is an orange slice, I think. Like an orange gummy.
Oh, look at these. Upside down. Nope, still upside down. I don't know.
Oh, this is good.
Check this out.
This is good.
Oh, I don't usually like gummy
It's
type
orange.
things. That is good for a gummy. Don't need this. This is a full ramen bowl type thing. I will probably eat it for lunch. What else? Oh my. Listen, can y'all see that in there?
It's like an ice cream cone.
Open it up.
Okay.
Let me put it in front of the camera. Then choose. We have more of these. There are several of these little gummy things. Aaron will like those.
Clown hat.
What is that? There's lots of little snacks in here. It is a little clown hat, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let me show it to the camera before you eat it. Little clown hat. Try it. Oh, it sounds delicious. Oh, these are going to be good. Look at these guys right here. Those have got to be tasty. I can see the chocolate up in the middle. They got to be good. They're like little buns, little tiny buns.
It's astronaut ice cream. Freeze-dried ice cream.
Oh,
And like the green
okay.
thing is like
That was absolutely not chocolate.
is it red bean paste?
That's what it is. It's bean paste.
That's often a thing people mistake because fun fact, the three common ice cream
That's
flavors
astronaut ice
in Japan is milk, red bean paste, and I think chocolate.
What is that? Looks like an animal cracker to me. Yeah, that's pretty much a super crunchy animal cracker.
Is it sweet?
Kinda. You know how animal crackers are kind of lightly sweet?
Yeah, like a graham cracker.
Look at that. Cow piss? Cow piss. I don't know how to spell cow or piss.
Spell it.
CALPIS. It's a little marshmallow. That's what it seems like. It's just a little marshmallow.
Oh yeah, those are pretty common.
It is just a little marshmallow. Oh, no, there's something in the middle. I found the cow piss. It's in the middle.
This might be mochi.
What? No, it's a thing I've heard Luke talk about it before.
Mm-hmm. It's like a citrusy inside.
Oh, what's in here?
Good. I like it.
See that okay? Oh, look. It's like your grandma's candies. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now this says teriyaki on the bottom. I can see it. Calpis is a Japanese uncarbonated soft drink. Huh, well, how does that translate into marshmallows?
Flavoring? Maybe the inside is that.
Whatever this was, it didn't survive the trip very well. I'm still going to taste it.
This is just grapefruit flavored gum. Good. I don't like grape flavored, and that's good. Oh, how did you do that
Like I
to me?
said, it didn't survive the trip very well.
That's yeah, thank you.
But it's delicious.
I don't recommend doing what we're doing.
Okay, yo, I don't know what this was. This is much better than the cow piss, but
Oh, I would say I would beg to differ. I much prefer the
you didn't like this, huh?
Mhm.
Teriyaki flavor, I like it.
If you like sweeter things, you're gonna like the marshmallow thingy.
Bomb roll, bourbon bomb roll.
That's what's inside this.
Oh, that's what. Let me see. Inside the little strawberry candy wrapper.
It's like
What's
just cute
that?
little hard
So
candy.
cute. Okay, inside the bomb roll. Ooh, bomb roll is. This feels like uncooked dough almost. That's not worth traveling across the street for. No.
So the hard candy strawberry thing is good, but it's a hard candy.
They
Like,
can't
you're
all
supposed
be
to-
winners. Now this onigiri taste stuff. That's really good.
I feel it does taste like a sugar-free cake.
This is gum.
This is gum.
It's just grape flavored gum.
This is grape flavored gum.
It slammed my tongue bone.
They're really good. Okay, what was best?
The gum was good. Oh wait, we haven't done the green gum.
Oh, this was very delicious.
I'm almost positive that was seafood flavored.
That is.
Like that's shrimp or something.
They like a lot of shrimp flavored stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a joke in here, but it's kind of lost on translation with me.
Let me see it. I mean, I'm probably not gonna get it, but let me see it.
You be the guinea pigs, that go. Not gum. Okay. It was definitely not gum.
Might
What was
still be
it?
Gum.
Might still be gum.
It doesn't taste like green apple. That's gum.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
It is gum.
Maybe.
Very soft gum.
Too soft. But I guess bubble yum is kind of that way, isn't it?
There are softer gums and stronger gums. Weirdly enough, I like the grape gum more than the green apple.
This. Did you try one of these?
No.
It's a mint.
I think it's just straight up an M&M.
Why put it in the pill pack?
I don't know.
It might be like, maybe it's like a fun game. You know, like we have some of those. Remember? They also just they really
I missed one in there.
like fun packaging. Japan tries hard on that.
Oh,
and I will say
this
it's
looks like
awesome.
caramel, maybe. Oh yeah, that's caramel.
Is that just straight up caramel?
I believe so.
Yeah, if you like Tootsie Rolls, you like that. It was like really soft marshmallow. It didn't stick to my mouth as much.
Good, and it had a little center to it.
Yeah, and the center was kind of citrusy, which was super nice.
It just says Calpis marshmallow is the translation here.
Okay, well I think I like
There you go.
Calpis.
Now this, let's see what else this is. The translator says crisp and bursting. Come on, translate that other. Grilled corn. That is true.
Yep.
What does this thing say? Hold on, let's stretch it out a little bit here. So Google Translate can get a good look at it. The Key to Taste. Factor. Artisan Salt. What are you, though? Crackers. What's the big word? Here, stretch this out. Nope, just crackers. What does this say? Strawberry milk. This cookie looking thing. And it says soy sauce Nakamaru. Weird. That was this, and it did kind of taste like soy sauce. What you got?
This is a thing that says no milk, no dairy. Or no eggs, no dairy.
Bacillus calcium crab. Okay. What does this guy say? Chocolate. Bourbon chocolate. Calcium and vitamin D. What else we got here? What's this one say? Lemon squash.
You know, the crab thing might be a good way to get kids to eat something.
Gara chicken. How about you, Lola? What'd you say? Oh. Milk caramel. That's exactly what that was. Milk caramel. This we decided was gum, and it says grape gum. Oh, what about you? That looks tough to read there. Good. It says teriyaki good. Okay, I'll put the link here. See all this? If this is cool to you, if you think you might like to have one, this is awesome. Hey, follow Emily. Emily Abroad. She'll show you everything about going to school in South Korea. She's up to some pretty interesting stuff. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.